This is the SGLEDs Solar Powered Outdoor Spotlights. Comes in a 2-pack, just in a plain brown box. Let's open it up. So I'm just going to show you one of them here because they are both identical. Like I said, it is a 2-pack. Here is the light itself right here. You can see there are 8 LEDs with a nice reflector and a really big solar panel on there like that. You can see also that that is adjustable to any angle that you would want, like that. You have 2 ways to mount this here. Okay, first of all, you can put this on the ground stake. Okay, and I'll show you how all this goes together. And they also give you a wall mount if you want, like that, and some screws and wall anchors. So to mount this up is very simple, depending on what you want to do. If you wanted to do the ground stake, for example, you can see that this will fit in here, and you press it together and it will sort of lock in place, okay, because it has teeth on it. So you could angle it any way that you want, just like that. We'll just do it straight, for example, and we'll push it together, and then they give you the locking piece here. There's a nut on that that will fit in this hole, so let me just spin that off, and the nut will go right in the hole over here once you get that lined up just like that. Then what we can do is hold that with our thumb, come in from the other side and put the bolt through. I'll screw that together, and now it's nice and tight. That fits on there like that. Push that all the way in, and now this is on a ground stake and can be just put into the ground. You can adjust the solar panel to get the best sun, and then you're all set. For the wall mount, it's exactly the same thing. You just put that on there. It can lock in with the teeth there. You put the nut and the screw through the other side, and you can see that there are 2 holes here that you can mark out and then put the screws through to mount it up to the wall. There's a button on the back here. Right now it's off, and then it has low mode and high mode. And these lights are, of course, dusk to dawn, so nothing will happen when I press the button there. But now I'll shut the lights off and I'll show you. So now when I shut the lights, it turns on immediately, and this is low mode. Puts out a nice bright spot, even on low. Certainly will give some nice light outdoors at night. And I'll go ahead and switch this over to high. And there's high. You can see it's a brighter spot there. And when the lights go back on, it'll go out. So now when I put the lights on, it goes out. So that's your dusk to dawn. So they'll turn on when it gets dark out and shut off when it gets light out again. Now you see that the light output is the cool white variety, and this will recharge in about 4 to 5 hours in the sun and will last from 6 to 10 hours. 6 hours on high and 10 hours on low. Of course, this is also IP65 waterproof because it is going to be outside. It'll get rained on and all that kind of stuff, but it's meant for it, so that's not a problem at all. So an excellent set of solar-powered outdoor spotlights from SGLEDs.